Are you a product company running on NetSuite that's struggling with your reporting? Well, ZoneReporting offers a pre-built reporting solution that hundreds of other NetSuite companies are currently using. ZoneReporting was built by NetSuite experts to provide you with the ultimate NetSuite reporting solution, all inside of the #1 ranked BI tool, Microsoft Power BI. Specific to your product company, you will get value from ZoneReporting in at least the following ways. 1, you're going to get a reporting platform that replicates and reconciles to your NetSuite with the ability to add as many more reports as you want. Plus, we already include over 50 pre-built reports that will give you a ton of value. And yes, we'll include data from all your inventory and items, OneWorld and custom records, and custom fields. Number 2, we're going to help you eliminate your reliance on Excel and all those associated spreadsheet errors. And number 3, we're also going to be able to help you integrate your other data sources, such as Shopify, your marketing platforms, Amazon, making ZoneReporting your enterprise-wide reporting goal. So, are you ready to automate your reporting? Visit our website and request a demo to learn more.